Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to customize your Samsung home screen in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to customize your Samsung home screen. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into various aspects of personalization, offering valuable insights and expert tips to transform your digital experience. Let's see how. Method 1, from the home screen. Tap and hold an empty area of the home screen and select Wallpaper and Style, or Wallpapers, at the bottom. Tap Change Wallpapers. You won't see that option on older devices. The Galaxy Store will have opened instead. You can choose to download one of the wallpapers available in the store, or, if you wish to use a custom image, select Gallery at the top. Select the image you want to use. Then select Home Screen or Lock Screen. You can also apply the same wallpaper to both. Method 2, while viewing an image. With your image open, tap the screen once and then select the three-dot menu. Choose Set as Wallpaper to apply the image as a wallpaper on one of your screens. You can also select Set as Always on Display Image if you want to apply the image to the AOD screen. Choose Home Screen or Lock Screen. Method 3, how to download themes from the Galaxy Store. W to download themes from the Galaxy Store. Themes help make your device yours. They can really change up how everything feels. Themes don't just change the wallpaper, but also icons, fonts, menu and app colors, and more. Select the vertical lines at the top left corner of the Galaxy Store app, and choose My Apps. Tap Themes. Browse for a theme you wish to apply. Keep in mind some themes cost money and some are free. When you find a theme you want, select Download for free themes, or buy for paid ones. After the theme downloads to your device, you must select Apply on the Galaxy Store page to set the theme as active. So, this is all about customize your Samsung home screen. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.